Here's the A1 Elite Platinum screen, and I'm going to show you how I like to set up the buttons on my handles. These blue, yellow, white, and red buttons refer to what's on your handlebars. There's a blue and yellow, and on the other handle is red and yellow, or red and white. So, the way I like to have them set up is I have an Elite mode, which is your regular stitch regulated, on my blue button. My yellow button is my single stitch. My white button is my lock stitching, which would do a couple of lock stitches. And the red button is my run, which would be any one of these four buttons: the Elite, the Based, the Manual, or my Cruise. So whichever one is highlighted is what it is. I suggest you set it up one way and just kind of leave it at that until you're ready to go, wait a minute, I want to do something different. So the way to change it is to hit the profile button, and you've got several different profiles to choose from. So if I'm going to change profile number 2, which would mean maybe it's one setting, I can keep each one of these, and it would change the stitches per inch, the based stitches per inch, my cruise speed, etc. So I'm going to change the blue button to be any one of these 9 designs, or 9 stitch styles. So I'm going to have my blue button be the Elite mode, and I want my stitches per inch to be 10. Okay, apply. My yellow button, I want it to be my full stitch. Okay. My white button, I like to be my tie-off, and my red button, I want to be my start. I can change any of these. A manual speed, maybe I want it to be 25%, so I can apply that. Now, when I'm on my home screen, I've got it on profile number 2, and this is how I've got them set. One other setting to think about is how you want your machine to stop. I depress the needle, and you can have it always tie off at the end and pick the number of stitches, or you can have it quick stop wherever you are. That means your needle positioner is not involved. It'll stop halfway up, halfway down, wherever you are, right at that second. Really only good for custom quilting. I like it to stop always up or always down, and then I can choose my tie-off on my screen. And I like my tie-offs to be 4. If I'm using a slick thread, I might want it to be 5. Okay. Anyway, so that's how I have it set up. Now your blue button will always do your stitch regulated button, as will your red one when the Elite mode is hit. So whether you hit the red or blue, you always are running. So that's kind of nice. That's all.